Are you thinking about starting an online business, but you do not know where to start? I totally understand you. I had been there when I started my business in 2012, and that's almost more than 12 years ago. There is a lot to consider, and the information online can be overwhelming. But I will simplify it for you. When it comes to starting an online business, you have essentially two options. You can either sell a product or sell your service. By service, I mean your expertise, your skill set. And if you are selling a product, it might be something like digital, or it can be a physical product that you directly ship to your customer. There are three important questions that you need to ask yourself. The first one is it profitable? Profitability is the key. Now I'm gonna give you an example. For example, you are buying an item for $18 and you are selling it for $20. So here there is $2 profit, right? But this $2 profit will not be enough for you to make the marketing, to pay to your employees, and eventually to scale your business. On the other hand, if you are buying an item for $5 and sell it for $20, then there will be $15 profit. And with $15, you can do the marketing, you can pay to your employees, and eventually you can be able to scale your business. It's essential to focus on the profit margins, not just the number of sales. My mentor always says, business is a game of margins and not the game of volume. And that is so fucking true. Number two, are people already searching for this product or looking for your solution? I'm going to give you an example. Here. One of my mentees told me that there is a particular type of jewelry product that he wants to sell. And this product is so cool in his terms, and it takes a lot of time and effort to produce one piece. So the first question that I asked him, are people searching for this product? And he had absolutely no fucking idea. Well, that is true. He didn't know how many people are searching for this product. He didn't make any research on that. Are people searching for this kinds of product and solutions online? Well, it is much easier to sell something that people are already interested in rather than creating demand. Think of it like trying to sell flip phones in a world dominated by smartphones. No matter how good the flip phone was in its days, it is outdated now. The key here is to offer people what they want today and not what was popular years ago. A trendy product with a strong profit margin is a winning combination. Start small. Do not overthink it. The more you overthink something, more you convince yourself not to do it. But you can find 100 reasons for not doing something, but you only need one good reason to do it. You should just say, fuck it, I'm gonna do it.